How to enable or disable multiplayer games on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and from here, tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then in here, we scroll down to the Game Center section and then tap on Multiplayer Games. From here, choose Don't Allow and then put in the screen time passcode. Or you can choose Allow with friends only or Allow with everyone. So select one of the options. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.